You know, I used to feel really exposed with my deck out here. It was like everyone could see my patio. My deck was just out there for the whole world to see.
Feel like your deck is unprotected?
That's when I found Desert Sun Patios. They have the best solutions to cover your deck. Really wrap it up nice and snug.
First, our experts measure your deck to give it the perfect fit.
Yeah, they really handled my deck with care. They knew exactly how to size it up. Now, my deck is not too hot, not too cold, just right.
Looking for something you can use year-round? Our sunrooms are a great way to add new space to your home.
My neighbors can't stop staring at my new deck. It's like they're jealous of how good my deck looks.
Tired of critters invading your deck? Our screen rooms keep those pesky intruders out.
Now, I invite everyone to come and hang out on my deck. It's the best spot for a party or some good old-fashioned family time.
With Desert Sun Patios, you're not just protecting your deck, you're making a whole new space for your home. Whether it's a sunroom, patio cover, a pergola, or a screen room, we have what you need to cover your deck all year round.
Want to know a secret? I love it when people compliment my deck.
Well, I love how it never takes a day off. There's a reason every season for Desert Sun Patios. Come see our Calgary showroom. Click below to visit desertsunpatios.com.